Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Caturza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. Now we have another property for sale. This property or properties has 3 titles. These are all around 10 hectares and with different titles is a total of 10 hectares. Moabot ni og na pulo ka hektarya. Pero naay tulo ka titulo. The first one, this one at my back, and the other in my front going here is 5 hectares. So 5 hectares. The other one, which is the hilly one, the hill, that is 1.8 hectares. Then the onwards is 3.5 hectares. 250 pesos per square meter net limpyo. So kini guys, bisag moingon tang net limpyo, mo final gyapon ta sa owner. Kay we don't know on the in the long run of negotiation, they will consider more negotiation. Then the terms, they can allow 50% down payment and the balance is installment. So that is the situation guys. Okay, let's continue, no? So kini nga patag, this all flat terrain is part of 5 hectares. And the mountain, no, the hill ditong hill nga imperno, hill ni nga bukid, sahay pag pronounce kay inigbutang sa TikTok lain na mag spelling. So this is hill, hill. So kining hill guys, pwede nimo i-quarry paingon diri sa ubos kay because that hill also pwede sad, no, it can be converted into a residential subdivision or subdivision. So pwede kay ni siya guys, super barato, which is really ideal for a subdivision development located in Barangay Guadalupe, Bugo City, Cebu. So dool ra ni siya guys, pabura ni dito sa highway. So makaingon ta kini guys nga mahadlok tag bahaanan because it's a lowland. No, di pa mas ubos dire, pwede na ka maghimog kanal dire. You can make an irrigation or canal or whatever, no, nindot kay buyag kanding. So you have to choose, either you buy the 5 hectares or you buy the 3.5 or you buy to the 1.8 hectares. So mao ni ang option. Pero kini atong gibidyohan guys, this video is intended for the 5 hectares. Ato tan-aw ni kilid guys, no. So this one, no. So man akong giingon nga there's another lot, no, which is mas ubos pa ani, mas halawon pa gani ni siya. So whereas this one nindot kayo. See, we will continue, no, because nana ni sa atong vlog ning 1.8 hectares already guys, no. So mas nindot ang 5 hectares kung atong paliton. Daghan king kanding, ni ibog na sagos kanding. So we will continue. Barato ra gyud ni guys because it's really very cheap, because usually guys the prices nearby is already ranging to 500 and above per square meter. You just send tag 500 na ilang baligya, while kini perting barato ha. So nindot sad goat farm. So see uy, pistol. Daghan kay kanding. Pero kini guys, kung if we will buy the 1.8 no, it has already kuan na ni siya guys, kanang considering kuan, it's already a road no, there's already a road. Ilan na gimo ano. So what na gyud problema no. So mo na ang 1.8 kining tip of the kuano. Diha. So nindot kayo. Okay, let's continue. So as we can see no, more on hill at 3.5 hectares and this one is the 1.8. So we have already a video on this guys no. There is two house no, but they have already an agreement with the owner that they can remove soon. So tanahon na to dire guys. Dalon na akong bag nako kay pasigwa na ni. So nindot ni guys kung mao niya tong paliton, this is good. Kay pwede raman, you can buy this one. It's really a clean title yun. So nindot, langgam rin madungog nimo. Very quiet. So there was somebody living also. Then the owner told them to evacuate. So mana ni siya. Ug naguba po ni siya sa kuan. Na sa typhoon audit. So si tuaras ubos guys, oh. Mato dito. Malantaw na tong ubos. So mas nindot diri guys kung diri ta magbalay. We are at the mountain. Oh. See? Nagin ni si pari title. Ako naning na kita or makapahatag di ko. Ako gitagaan ani. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So again, the total size is 10 hectares. Then 5 hectares, then 3.5, and this one 1.8 hectares. Pwede na kini mong paliton or pili lang ka. Pero ang nindot og position guys, kini for residential and farming. The 3.5 hill kasagaran. May nga sa kung dili mayo, pero depende man sa plano or you buy this all whole property. Owner are all alive, buhi tanan. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye. Ay, dili pate. Ako ra gi lantaw. Oh, sabutan sa namo. Okay ra man kani dire. Way silingan, may ni way silingan. Oh. Way kontra.